Alright, this is the final lesson of beginning 2. Ini adalah pelajaran terakhir untuk Pemula 2. Dan untuk mendapatkan sertifikat Pemula 2, jangan lupa untuk mengisi absensi hari terakhir, yaitu hari ke-15. Itu penting. Dan untuk mengakhiri pelajaran ini, I'll ask you some questions. There are 45 questions, ada 45 pertanyaan. Jadi saya harap kalian sudah siap, sudah menghafal semua pelajaran dari awal sampai akhir. Okay, so are you ready? Let's begin. What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do for a living? How old are you? When were you born? What do you usually do in the morning? What time do you wake up? Do you always take a shower in the morning? Do you work in Jakarta? What time do you usually have lunch? Are you always busy in the afternoon? What time do you take a break? What time do you go home? Do you sometimes take a bus? What do you usually do in the evening? What do you eat for dinner? What time do you go to bed? Do you live with your parents? What is your father's name? What does your father do? What is your mother's name? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any cousins? What does your brother do? Does your sister live with your parents? What are you doing now? Are you working from home today? Do you learn English on Sunday? What do you do on the weekends? Do you sometimes go to the cinema? What are you doing this week? Do you often travel? What time do you have? Are there two pillows in your bedroom? What are there in your bedroom? Apa saja yang ada di kamar tidurmu? Is there a couch in your living room? Are there many chairs in your house? Is there a clock on the wall in your living room? What are there in your bathroom? Are there many plates in your kitchen? What are there in your fridge? Are there a lot of fruits in your kitchen? Are there any spoons in the dish rack? What are there in your kitchen? Bravo, bravo, very good, excellent. Saya harap tadi kalian bisa menjawab dengan sempurna dan saya minta kalian menulis di kolom komentar 5 jawaban dari pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang tadi. Kamu bebas memilih pertanyaan yang mana saja. Kamu tulis di kolom komentar untuk membuktikan kalau kamu sudah menyelesaikan pelajaran terakhir ini. Dan nanti soal-soalnya ada di bawah di bagian absensi. Ada di situ nanti kalau kalian mengisi absensi untuk mendapatkan sertifikat ini, di bawah-bawahnya nanti ada soal-soal yang barusan saya tanyakan kepada Anda. So thank you very much and see you in the next course.